What's up, y'all? Mr. Casey Neistat. If you are seeing this video, I want to give you a sincere thank you from the bottom of my heart. I have enjoyed your daily vlogs very much. I liked your channel even before the vlogs started. The way that you vlogged was so much different and so much had so much more creativity put in it than any other vlogs on YouTube, hands down. I drew inspiration from your videos. Thank you for the vlogs. They were awesome. And I will be staying subscribed to your channel to see what else you put out in the future. I'm excited to see what you're gonna do and what kind of videos you're gonna be putting up. I know you're gonna put your all into it, and I know that it's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna be staying tuned. I'm gonna be staying subscribed. I want to let you guys know that I have been vlogging for the past week, but I am in the middle of a transition with my computer. Another reason that I haven't been putting up videos lately is because I've had some exams and I had a few papers to write, so that put a little bump in the road for me. So here's all the parts I have to upgrade my computer: processor, some RAM, new hard drive, motherboard. I got a video card on the way. The computer that I have is not even close to capable of editing 1080p video. The best I can get up is 720, and it takes forever. It takes forever for my computer to process 720, let alone 1080. But just want to let you guys know that I am just getting ramped up. I'm just getting into this vlogging thing, and I know my channel's small right now, but I've gotten a lot of great comments from you guys saying that you like the way the videos are going. But the reason I wanted to throw this video up real quick is to say thank you to Casey and to tell you guys I'm just getting started, baby. I'm just getting ramped up. So please subscribe, stay tuned. I will have some videos coming out, and hopefully the quality will be getting better, the editing will be getting better, everything will be getting better. So stay tuned. Love you guys. See you on the next one.